It has impacted my life in every way possible. I met this family and within 3 months decided to completely upend everything, become a garage expert with Lexi, start our own franchise. I mean, if you name something that could possibly change in your life, it happened to mine, but it's been the greatest decision I've ever made.
What was surprising was how successful we were able to become very quickly. I think after 6 months we were able to get a shop and 2,000 square feet, which is a big deal for us, working out of what you was used to with him as far as working out of a garage, then storage units, and then now this shop. So that's been fun. It's been a lot of fun.
The wildest or best install, it was an amusement park with kids with disabilities. And so we did butterflies that represents them, and then we ended up doing dolphins and turtles and starfish and a water park that looked like the ocean. And we did it all out of flake and epoxy and top coat that we sell here. So it was a lot of fun.